everybody, please welcome Bo Yu, who will present the status of the riscv5 Debian port. So please give him a round of applause to warmly welcome him.
Okay, thank you. And thank you, everyone. Hello, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for attending my talk. It's my pleasure to introduce some update on the Debian riscv5 port. So, what's the riscv5 and why we choose to use it? Okay, riscv5 is an open standard RSA based on established riscv5 kernels provided under the royalty-free open source license. It was first developed at the University of California, Berkeley. Now, riscv5 is managed by the riscv5 International Foundation. I think we choose the riscv5 because it has the feature as below. It is simplicity. It has fixed license of the basic RSA, and they are sample instruction format, and they are sample branch protection allows, I think. And the second feature is it is the modular design. For example, the I track, it is the base in instruction set, and the multi-packaging and the division instruction set, and the atomic instruction set, and the float and the double float instruction set. In general, we can call those instruction set be the G, and in addition to, if we want to extend some instruction set like the comparison and the bweb and the vector, we can combine them into one. Another thing is the independence and the composability. This allows the hardware. This allows the hardware designer to choose the best opportunity for their hardware and request. I think it is scalar ability. I mean, I want to say this is the riscv5 can be project related process. It can be ranging from the single core microcontroller and from to the metal core like the service PC, and it has flexible in like the 32-bit, 64-bit, and the 128-bit. This is to allow the designer to choose their I think towards their to their ideally the project again. And the last part part is, I think, it is the most important because it has the open economic. For example, the RISC-V RSA spec is very open. You can get things for fair, like any company and organization, even person, can contribute to the RSA spec during the review stage. But once the spec was left, I think it is not easy to change again. And the collaborative between the software and the hardware. In other words, I mean here the software like the RV, aka the RISC-V International Facility has many specially interested group, like the PSABI SIG, let me see, the Glyphiker and the Glyphiker and the architect, the SIG. They are collaborative, and if we have some issue need to deal with together. And for another thing is the hardware component, because we have hardware singer like this, and I know the RVV has DV boards. Its goal to distribute the all kind of the RISC-V hardware to open source community. So if you want to contribute to the RISC-V port, you can get one, I think, if you like. It's finally, I think this is very basic. So this is my point. I draw into this work, this talk. I'm sorry. And let's learn about the build support of the riscv 64 on Debian. From the mail list, I can search. It's about 2016, and the manual was who is called call for porting riscv on Debian. This is I can the information as a list, and about 2 years later, we have working bootstrap. So in generally we call this stage is unfunctional port bootstrap because the build DD machines located in everywhere, like the developer home and the node Debian data centers. And about 3 months later, the QEMU builder was set up. I guess they come from the Oregon State University open source lab. I guess maybe here mostly the developer now those lab or else. Let me take 8. Okay. It's about 2019, we have the first RISC-V hardware to build the Debian packages. The hardware I think from the sci-fi and the Marwad. If I remember correctly, they are the hi-fi latched, and but the number of the build.dd machines is very limited. This affect Debian RISC-V port the progress. And about the 2022 in June 2022, the PLCT lab brought many RISC-V hardware. It was the iMatch Bada. It was iMatch boards to our Debian setters. So this can ensure that Debian CI to support RISC-V allows, and the build.dd can got many the build.dd machine. This is head up our porting work. And in November 2022, our port books online. In factory, the port work in a good shape. So our port team all hope to can be added the offshore architecture before the bookworm release, but unfortunately we not catch up the bookworm release. I think it's about 7 months we are ready. I already know. But the good news comes from the July 2023, and the Aurelian Yano announced the RISC-V 64 has become an offshore architecture on Debian. Before this, our Denali FTP team, finally accept the RISC-V into Debian archive. So everything become well so we have entered the offshore port reproducibility, and in the stage, and we appreciate because many Debian page maintainers accept our report back, our request or patch to support the RISC-V building. It's really helpful for our porting workers. And this year in May this year, and the FTP team added a testy suite. So I have to faster this. And The next plan, we are do our best work to support the porting books, and we hope that being traced can support riscv5 optionally. Okay, this is our closing schedule of the riscv5 port. I hope everyone can see this. I'm not sure this is issue for any question for any issue. If this is true, you can ask our port team, and in any way, let's take and okay. Yes, the number package of the testing suite is limited, I think, and but I don't check it recently. And when I write the PPT, the GCC40 is one of breakers, but I don't think I'm not to make clear the close how to happen. Debian the installs we are available for special platform like QEMU, and we have developer to work for the version 5.2 hardware. Okay, and this is the left is our package can be built on the riscv5 about 97%. And I have to remind you, the number is will be changed. So the left and the right side on the script is our port wiki. You can check it. This is our building machines and the port box. Unfortunately, we are used the image. It's very slowly, and the picture from the Oregon Station University open source lab. This is their located, I think. Yeah, this is our consoles. Our build DD machines is very limited performance and the kernel, and but we have the fast hardware, but lacks the kernel support, and if the kernel upstream, it will cost a very time. We hope we can get faster build DD machines as possible as soon. And the features our plan is if the riscv5 economic is more developer, and we can raise the baseline on Debian riscv5, and I will try the newest riscv5 hardware if we can. Okay, this is the hardware with the Debian. The left is can be supported by the Debian kernels. You can hit this, and for the last one, which like version 5.2, and if you don't use the PCIe or SSDs, it's okay. And the vendor kernel and the Debian root FS, yeah, but I think this is not for. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you for the support for the Debian riscv5 portal as for everyone. And if you have any question or issues, please subscribe to our Debian riscv5 mail list or enjoy our RIC channel. Thanks all, and thanks all. Thank you. Oh.
So do you have time for one question? Just a quick question, please, because we are short of time.
Hey, thank you. I just want to point out for anybody that does have the hardware, the cloud team is publishing VM images for RISC-V. We build them every day for SID and Trixie. So if you have hardware and need VM images for porting work and things like that, we have them. cloud.debian.org.
I'm sorry. Pardon me. Can you slow it down? Yeah. I don't understand very clear. Yeah.
I just wanted to let people know that there are virtual machine images available for download for the RISC-V architecture for for people who have the hardware and need to run a virtual machine, a RISC-V virtual machine. We have hardware, or we have VM images for it.
Okay.
We can talk after.
Okay. Detain, no more.
Okay, I think we are out of time. Sorry, we can discuss this later. And just to say thank you, Boyu, for your talk. And thank you for your great work.
Oh, thank you, everyone. Yeah, if have any question, you can email me at our mail list. Thank you, everyone. Okay.